so we got a question right here. A different wind tube shown in the diagram on the next page has the center of its blades F 75 meter from the base of the turbines D. Point E is on sloping ground 180 meters from F and 130 meters from D. Calculate the angle of depression of E from F, right? So angle of depression is basically the same as angle of elevation, right? But the thing is, it just basically goes down, right? So you have, and it's always in horizontal as well, right? So it's gonna go downwards this time, right? So like this, for example, I have an angle right here, right? This is your angle of depression. It's basically going downwards, right? So it was right here, now it's going down, right? So this is your angle of depression, right? So let me draw the diagram as well that has been given to us, right? So this is the diagram, right? Yep, close to this type of diagram, right? So this is 130, 180, and this is 75. This is F, this is D, and this is E, right? Okay, so basically we need to calculate this angle, right? First, to calculate this angle, we will use the cos rule, right? So basically the cos rule says b square is equals to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b, right? Why I use this? Because I can see I have three sides and I need to find the angle, right? So I can use the three sides formula right here, and I need to find the cos b, right? So basically the b angle over here, right? So if you substitute the value, it's 130 square, right? And always the b cos b, it's opposite. Cos b is basically F, right? I just wrote it cos b for, you know, easierness to understand the formula, right? So cos b is basically F, right? So the F angle opposite is 130, so you will always write 130 over here, right? So now you have A, you can take any one of these A except 130. So you have 75 square plus 180 square minus 2 times 75 times 180, and then you have cos b you have to find, right? So you can substitute the values. Cos b is equals to 130 square minus 73 square minus 180 square by minus 2, 73 times 180, right? And then you will get your, you know, answer of this value, which is, and then you can do the cos inverse as well. So you get your, I wrote it in fractions, right? So it's 169 by 216. So you will get your B angle finally as 38.15847,308, right? And then basically, you know that we have just discussed that angle of depression is basically the angle going downwards, right? So, and it should be in horizontal. This is in vertical that we have calculated the angle, right? So we have to find this horizontal angle, right? So this angle we have to find, right? So we can minus it by 90, right? So 90 minus the same value over here, right? 38.47308. So you get your answer as 51.5, right? I rounded off the answer. So yeah, and they have given any meters over, yeah, the meter, not meter, sorry, yes, the angle sign. Yep. So this is your final answer for the angle of depression from F.